What's up guys, today in this video I'm going to teach you how to delete your saved game files on the PlayStation 5. Guys, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. Alright, so what you need to do is to go to settings over here and then go to storage and then choose console storage and go down to saved data. And whether it's PS4 games or PS5 games, choose one. I'm going to choose PS5 games. So go down to whichever game file that you want to delete and choose whichever one it is. I'm going to choose this one, Spider-Man Miles Morales, as an example. This is just going to delete the game file. It's not going to delete the actual game. So the game is still going to be in your PS5. So it's just going to delete the saved game data that you have. So after you choose, just go over here to delete and you will see this saved data will be deleted. And for this, you would want to press OK. But I don't actually want to delete it. I'm just making this video just so I can teach you guys. But if you were to do this for real, you would choose OK. But since I'm only doing this for the tutorial, I'm going to cancel. So that is it guys, that is all that you have to do to delete your saved game files on the PlayStation 5. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, I'll put them on the screen and I will leave a link to them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I'll also put the link to it in the description as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Later.